Hey, good morning, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm going to get started here with some function notation. Let's get this all cleared. Okay, I need everyone to get a sheet of notebook paper, some kind of paper. You may want to pause the video. We're going to do our warm up on notebook paper. So today we're working on function notation. So let's review function notation. The first one, we're going to evaluate the function f of x equals 1/3 x plus 7 when x equals -4. That's your input. Okay, so f of -4, every time you see an x, you're going to replace it with whatever number they give you. Equals 1/3 times -4 plus 7. When you plug that in and do the math or use your calculator, you should get 17/3. Okay, next one, we're going to do one more warm-up problem. It's going to be another evaluate situation. We've got g of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 8 when x equals 3. That's your input. We're going to input a 3 for x. Okay. Oh, yeah. So 3 squared is 9. And then -4 times 3 is 12. So that's going to be 9 minus 12 plus 8. You should get 5. I'll give you a minute and make sure you have that written down. So today we're working on a worksheet. It's front and back. There are 14 questions on each page, and this is what you have to turn in online, both pages. But you have most of class to do this. We're going to do a couple examples right now together so you get the hang of it. But basically what you're doing, you're evaluating and you're plugging in exponent values. So here we're going to plug in a 3 for n. So that's 4 times 3/7 to the nth power, but now it's 3. And your directions say round to the nearest hundredth if needed. So if we had 4 times 3/7, and then raised to the third power, should look something like that. You get this fraction, 108/343. But I want the decimal, so there we are, 0.314. The 1/4 rounds to 10 instead of 20, so 0.31. Number 2, if we evaluate this one at x equals 2, it's going to be 2/9 times 1/2 to the x power, but our x value is now 2. We're going to plug in a 2 right here. You get 1/18, and then you have to remember to press this button right here to get your decimal, and you want to round to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so what do we have here? We have 0.0555555556. Okay, so 55 rounds to 60. So we're going to say this is 0.06. The others are very similar. This is all you're doing in class, and then you have to turn it in. If you don't turn this in, you don't get credit. It is 10 points. So make sure you do this and help your grade. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.